Hello everyone, Laura here. Join me, let's make this multi-purpose tomato stew. You can use for white rice, you can use with pasta, spaghetti, you can also use it for your fries. For this recipe, we'll be using turkey leg for it. Cut your turkey legs, wash it, put in a pot, season with any season of your choice. In this video, I used garlic powder, ginger powder, mixed herbs, paprika powder, and salt. Chopped onions. Mix everything together. Let's cook the turkey. While that is cooking, we'll prepare all we need for the tomato stew. We'll be using 3 tins of fresh tomatoes, 2 balls of onions, 1 fresh paprika, ginger, habanero pepper, and garlic. You can also use the plum tomatoes, but in this recipe, this is what I have, so this is what I'll be using. We will blend all the ingredients apart from the tomatoes, but if you're using the plum tomatoes, blend it as well. Add vegetable oil, about a cup or a cup and a half. Add your chopped onions, some bay leaves. It's optional, but I like to use it. Add your curry powder at this point so that it could help in the flavor building. Then add some mixed herbs. Saute for 2 minutes. Add the peppers and onions you blended. Add the tomatoes. Mix everything together. Cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes or until the oil is already floating at the top. Remember to check on your turkey. At this point, I think it's done. You should just turn off the heat. Add 2 seasoning cubes. I used Maggi seasoning cubes in this recipe. Paprika powder. A little bit of salt because the turkey stock we'll be adding later has salt in it. Mix everything together. Add the cooked turkey together with the stock. Mix everything gently and cover to cook for additional 5 minutes so that the turkey and the stew will marinate and marry each other properly. Your yummy, delicious turkey stew is ready. You can use it for anything you want. You can add it to your food while making it. You can use it for your rice. You can use it for your pasta. You can use it to eat plantain. You can use it to eat fries. You can use it to eat anything you want. It's so yummy. It's so delicious. It's so good. Let me know if you try this recipe at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help it grow, to like it, and to comment. Tell me the country you're watching us from. in the comment section so that I can send you a special hug in my next video. Love you. Bye.